Today's house seems to lean forward to get a better view of the stunning panoramic landscape. And it does so quite literally. With its twisted volume and transparent lines, the Panorama Residence is a structure that shapes itself to the view, the Gulf of Patras in front, the Panachaiko mountains in the background, and all around, a garden that feels like a natural retreat. Located on the outskirts of Patras, Greece, the residence was completely redesigned by the renowned studio Façade during the structural phase, with a focus on landscape integration, generous natural light, and fluidity between indoor and outdoor spaces. Spread across 3 efficiently organized levels, the middle floor functions as the heart of the home, where the social areas and resting spaces are concentrated. Transparent enclosures allow the landscape to remain ever-present, as if it were part of the interior design. The open-plan social areas combine natural materials with modern finishes. The dark-toned kitchen creates a bold visual impact with minimalist cabinetry and sleek white countertops for a sophisticated contrast. Natural light enters generously through strategically placed glass panels, strengthening the sense of connection with the outdoors. The expansive garden was conceived based on biophilic design principles and offers a serene, restorative refuge. A network of winding paths guides visitors through a variety of native species, flowering shrubs, and aromatic Mediterranean plants, creating a visually rich and welcoming environment. 2 large grassy clearings, surrounded by this vegetation, serve as ideal spaces for leisure and contemplation, reinforcing the connection between the home and its natural setting. The house design adapts to both the terrain and the climate. The twisted main volume directs the view toward the sea, while the transparency dissolves the boundaries between inside and out. From the lush garden to the refined interiors, every aspect of this house reflects the architect's commitment to creating a living experience deeply connected to the landscape. It is a work that celebrates the power of innovative design and its ability to bring humans closer to the natural world. Panorama Residence is a reminder that architecture doesn't need to stand out to make an impression. Sometimes, it just needs to lean in the right direction.